We're just on demo up at Colson Lakes, Queensland. Here we have a 401 TRIPR, and we're just trying it out in some rocky red volcanic soil, beautiful conditions. This machine is fantastic. It has a unique ability to combine multiple operations in a single pass, thus conserving some moisture, time and money. It also has a really good ability to be able to place dry or liquid fertilizer at variable depths. To protect the row unit, as you can see from damage, we've hit a rock here, and you can see the machine in the auto reset kicking back and returning back in quickly as possible without any need for jumping on the brake, stopping, resetting, shear bolt action or anything like that. The one TRIPR provides a clean level seed bed. This is fantastic when you're going into a variety of field conditions, including wheat stubble, cover crop and standing corn stalks. TRIPR is available in the configuration you see in front of you as a 4-row through to a 24-row configuration in 55 to 1 metre spacings and adjustable at variable depths. Please contact your dealer for further information.